Hey y'all, hey, it's Keesa from Keesa's Kitchen, also from Bountiful Harvest with Joe and Keesa on YouTube. Excuse the glasses, I'm giving my contacts a rest, but I just wanted to stop by to tell you some things that I've been doing in my home to reduce waste. So first of all, I love blackberries, and these containers are useful after I empty one like I just did. Since we grow tomatoes, and cherry tomatoes to be exact, these containers come in handy. I store the ones that are just about right, and this package is a good size to sell if you're selling as a person who grows their own vegetables and grows enough for others. Also, I love cabbage. So when you cut the bottom portion of the cabbage off and you cut up the rest and throw it in the pot, fine. But you can take that bottom portion and put it in a container of water. Make sure that it's full so that it's touching, and you can start a whole nother head of cabbage. Mine is coming along. Also, back to those plastic containers. We get all kinds for all sizes. All kind of fresh goodies come in plastic containers. So this one, I have put a lot of my Keesa's Kitchen supplies, my stickers, my special colored pens, special wrapping when I tie up cakes and things that I sell. And they come in really handy, and you're not adding to the trash. Just the other day, my husband tore a shirt, and I was like, what can I do with this? Can it just go in the recycle? But I just kept hesitating to throw it away. And this is the remainder of the shirt, by the way. I just cut it off around from the armpits down, cut it all the way off, and I cut it into 3 sections for rags, cleaning rags, dusting rags, rags you can put in your vehicle for checking the oil, for wiping your hands when you've worked on the vehicle. When he's out lawn mowing, these come in handy to wipe sweat or whatever else he may need to clean up. So all I'm saying is, please reduce your waste. I think these are easy ways to do it. And you feel good after knowing that this could have been in the trash or in the landfill. Also, you reduce your cost by recycling these things that you would have had to buy containers for. Like I would have to buy containers for the tomatoes. So it's a good way to help your budget and things. And I just wanted to holler at y'all because I'm about to make some apple butter. I got my apples measured out, and I got plenty more. So I'll be making that, and it'll be being posted on my pages. Sure, my husband will mention it on Bountiful Harvest. But if you haven't already, check this out on YouTube at Bountiful Harvest. Joe and Keesa. And then my page is Keesa's Kitchen. And my personal page is Keesa T. Bunbury if you'd like to talk to me about some sort of collaboration or making a purchase. Either of those pages are fine, but the apple butter is coming along. And don't forget, we've got those pickles for you, bread and butter and dill. So give me a yell, give me a DM, and I'm here all the time in the kitchen. Thank you for watching.